Ningbo Fuke Hydraulic Machinery Co. Limited is a professional manufacturer dedicated to the production and research and development of hydraulic fluid connectors and control valves. Our company has a highly skilled research and development team, established a flexible management model and a modern enterprise management system. The company conscientiously implements the ISO 9001 and 2000 quality system. We adopt a professional manufacturing model and advanced production processes in the industry, from raw material to blank storage. The machining shop has about 100 high-precision CNC lathes and automatic processing equipment. In-process inspection including hardness tester, depth gauge, surface roughness meter, image measuring instruments, etc. Electroplating processing. Finished product packaging. Warehouse transportation one-stop supply. Fuke hydraulic products can provide high-quality carbon steel, stainless steel and other materials to meet various export requirements. Core products include high-precision hydraulic check valve, shuttle valve, in-pipe type tube fittings, flange fittings, Banjo fittings, BS British Standard fittings, SAE flare fittings, hose fittings, internal hexagonal plug, various products such as pressure test fittings. At the same time, our company can also provide OEM processing for high-end brands. More and more customers are choosing us as partners now. Our products are currently exported to dozens of countries such as the United States, Japan, and the United Kingdom. Looking forward to your cooperation.